Two parents convicted of child abuse get probation instead of prison time. The I-Team's Vanessa Murphy is taking a closer look at the case. Now, we do want to warn you, the images in this report are disturbing and show the child's injuries.
These are photos of a 7-year-old with injuries, bruises, and scars all over his body. Metro Police say his parents, Ashley Adams and David England, whipped him with a cord and a belt, and that the child said Adams once threw a boot at his head. He was hospitalized with serious injuries.
This is horrific child abuse. It is one of the worst whipping cases I have ever done in my career.
On May 19th, Clark County Chief Deputy District Attorney Dina Renetti argued for 12 years in prison for the parents, the maximum sentence specified in a plea deal despite no criminal history.
There are some cases, not often, but there are some cases that deserve prison despite a lack of a criminal record, and this is one of them.
Adams and England pleaded guilty to 3 felony counts of child abuse after they were initially charged with 19 counts.
This is ongoing torture of this child. Your Honor, this is the face of child abuse. This is a face of a child in crisis.
Court records reveal the parents admitted to beating the child, and Adams said her son would cry and scream. 2 years later in Clark County District Court, England said he was the victim of abuse as a child, and both parents told Judge Beta Yeager they're sorry and have taken steps like counseling to change.
I'm not a bad person at all. I love my kids to death, and I just want to be a mom to them again and show them how much I miss them and how much I have changed and learned along the course of these 2 years.
Judge Yeager handed the parents suspended sentences of 72 to 180 months. They will both spend less than 60 days in the county jail, be on probation for 5 years, and if they stay out of trouble, they'll spend no time in state prison. It was revealed in court they are trying to be reunited with the boy and his little sister, who are currently in foster care. Renetti says these images are warning signs. Something even worse could have happened to the child, who will now live with lifelong trauma caused by his own parents.
Your Honor, we need justice for this child.
Vanessa Murphy, 8 News Now.
Now, by law in Nevada, parents are allowed to discipline their children by spanking them as long as it does not cause an injury to the child. If you're aware of possible child abuse or neglect, you're urged to report it. In Clark County, you can call 702-399-0081.